Lexmark MS331dn review. The monochrome beast that just bullied my old printer. Let's be real, office printing shouldn't feel like you're sending your files into a black hole. You've got a mountain of reports to print, deadlines breathing down your neck, and your so-called reliable printer is jamming. Again. Or worse, crawling along like it's printing in slow motion just to spite you. You're wasting precious minutes babysitting paper trays, manually flipping sheets for double-sided prints, and wondering why you even try. Sound familiar? Welcome to the soul-crushing spiral of bad printer syndrome. And the longer you tolerate it, the more productivity and sanity you sacrifice. The pain only gets worse. Missed client print deadlines. Presentation handouts that come out last minute, creased, crooked, and incomplete. That gnawing panic when the print queue freezes mid-job. It's a wonder you haven't flipped the thing out the window yet. And let's not even start on toner replacements that cost more than your car battery, or the ink-smudged chaos that makes your boss question your competence. Your team is frustrated, your vibe is off, and your print station is officially the drama queen of the office. You don't need a printer, you need a lifesaver. Enter the Lexmark MS331dn black and white laser printer, aka the compact productivity beast you never knew you needed. This thing doesn't whine, jam, or pause for dramatic effect. It delivers up to 40 pages per minute with zero attitude, has automatic two-sided printing so you're not flipping paper like a caveman, and fits just about anywhere. Plus, it's tough, like steel frame, business grade, lifetime fuser tough. Built for speed, engineered for silence, designed for endurance, it's the office workhorse that actually pulls its weight, no caffeine required. Add in high-yield toner, 15,000 pages of print power, USB and Ethernet connectivity, and built-in Lexmark enterprise-level security, and you're looking at serious office glow-up potential. No more toner tantrums. No more printer rage. Just fast, clean, pro-quality prints with less waste, fewer interruptions, and way more peace of mind. This is the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. Want better workflow, smoother performance, and time back in your day? Then this machine's calling your name. Loudly. Here's the bottom line. Printers like the Lexmark MS331dn don't stay on shelves long. Businesses are scooping them up because they work. Thousands have already made the switch and kissed their print drama goodbye. So stop tolerating broken promises and slow output. Start printing like a boss, with power, precision, and pride. Don't wait. Stock is limited, and your team deserves better. Click that button. Join the upgrade revolution. And make your next print job your best one yet.